back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my quick 5 to 6 minute makeup routine. Lately I've just been on this wave where I do not do a full face, but it gonna look like it's a nice natural full face. And especially with the pandemic happening, like no one is wearing makeup as much anymore, and I love it. I love that for me. That's what this video is going to be about. Let's get into it. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope that everything that you are manifesting, whether that's towards your passions, your dreams, your relationships, just your spirit, I pray and I hope that all of that happens for you. Let the universe work. Do not stress yourself out. Things that are meant to happen for you will happen for you at the time that it's meant to be for you. Trust that, believe that. And let's get into this. My skin is already nice and glowy. I did my skincare routine already, and I'm like, okay, let's just get in and out. Let's do this makeup. Let's go. Let's get started on our brows. I have been loving my NYX Precision Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Ash Brown, but I always use this brow pencil. I've used Benefit before, I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills, but of course, you know, sometimes it's a little pricey, so this is my little go-to drugstore one. So I am going to conceal under my eyes, not conceal, what am I trying to say? I am going to clean up under my brows. We are going to use our NARS concealer. This is their Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel, so medium dark 2. Good day, I truthfully just like do my brows and just go about my business. But of course, if I want to get cute, then we'll do this other 5-minute joint and be good to go. So next, now that that is all set as far as our brows, I'm gonna go in with a primer, and I honestly just use a very small amount since I'm not really wearing any foundation. This is just an additional barrier, additional moisture. And this is also the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, so it's illuminating, which I love. So I got my little glow on, I love it. So now that that's done, I am going to set my eyes, well, under my eyes, and I've been using my MAC Prime and Prep and Prime, sorry. This is the highlighter Peach Luster. I use this to pretty much cover up under my dark circles, just to, you know, give me a little oomph when I have my concealer, because girl, these bags are a no. So I had this for like probably more than a year, and it's still good to go. Like, so you honestly do not need to use a lot of this. So now we're gonna go in with that same NARS concealer and just apply some underneath our eyes. This is just very super light. Like, I'm not even going more than this because truthfully that's it. I love how natural it looks. I'm really not trying to have a heavy full face, so very light, very easy to do. So now what we're gonna do is go in with some setting powder, and I'm just using literally a light amount because, again, I do not want anything to look super heavy. So this is the Mented Light Tan Loose Setting Powder. After applying my loose setting powder, just like to go ahead, what I like to go ahead and do, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty This is the bronzer, and I'm using that Asian Gal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just add a little of that to like my cheek area. And I like to use it like as a blush rather than contouring, just because I like the tanned effect. Alrighty y'all, so now I'm going to set my face before adding my mascara as well as my lips. So I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty. This is their Resting Boss Face. I absolutely love this. If you have oily skin and you just want something that's going to set your face very matte, definitely this is going to get that job done. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my two mascaras, and I'm using my Fenty Beauty mascara as well as my Laura Mercier, and this is the Caviar volume. The Fenty Beauty is the full frontal because I'm black. So now we're gonna go ahead and get our lips going, and then we're done. Typically, I don't really wear any form of lipstick or gloss while I have my mask on, of course, but I want to feel pretty in this video. So we're gonna use a gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty, and this is Fussy, but I need to go get a lip liner, so be right back. This is also Huda Beauty, and this is Trendsetter. So we're going to apply a little of that. Perfect. So it's lined, blended in. Going to go in on top of that with my Fussy lip gloss. My simple 5-minute makeup routine. I hope you guys try this out for yourselves. I absolutely love doing this because it saves so much time doing my makeup. I don't have to worry about it being messy all over my mask, and it's a simple cleanup by the time I'm coming home to take my makeup off. So absolutely tap into your 5-minute makeup routines, y'all, because it is a lifesaver. I will put all the products that I use for this video down below in the description area. If you enjoy this, or if you want to share it with somebody, go ahead and do that. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends, family, whoever you want to share this with. Definitely just tap in, y'all. Tap in. I, of course, enjoy making content for you guys, so definitely tune in to my next video, and thanks for watching.